Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today my group would like to tell you guys about airplane mode or flight mode. Do you all ever heard about this setting in your phone? Do you know what is the function of this setting and how it's work? Don't worry guys, we will make it easy for you to understand. Let's check it out. In science perspective, invisible signals are always flying through the air all around us. Mobile phone connect to networks by emitting information in the form of electromagnetic wave, specifically radio wave. The signal of mobile phone broadcast is so strong, the mobile phone will generate a radio wave signal while calling, sending message or receiving an information. Then communicate with the nearest cell tower to get any information with different wavelength. Every mobile phone will not using the same wavelength to ensure no interference happen. The most important reason why we should to turn on the airplane or flight mode is to avoid the radio wave of mobile phone interfere with airplane communication system. Mobile phone on plane will act as radio jammers by interfering with nearby signal. The setting is not to protect the flight, but to protect everyone else in the flight. So, do you want to know the myth and fact about airplane mode? Let's go.
Myth airplane mode in our lifestyle. Number 1 is data storage and processing. Airplane mode does not have any direct impact on the storage or processing of personal data on the phone. It does not enhance the security of personal data or provide additional encryption measure for locally stored information. Number 2 myth is data privacy. While airplane mode may limit certain form of data transmission over wireless network, it does not address broader privacy concerns associated with online activity, data sharing, and app permission. Personal data stored on the device remains vulnerable to unauthorized access and exploitation, irrespective of the device connectivity status.
Welcome everyone. Today I want to talk about a common misconception many of us have when it comes to charging our phones. You may have heard from a friend or read online that turning on airplane mode can significantly boost how fast your phone charges. It makes sense why people believe this myth. By cutting off connectivity, it seems logical there will be more power available to funnel into the battery. However, through extensive testings, this idea has been effectively debunked when it comes to modern phone charging. While it may have minor impacts years ago, today's smartphones are designed to optimize the charging process regardless of background connectivity. The truth is, the moment you plug in your phone, automatic power management system leaps into action. Non-vital applications are suspended and maximum power is allocated to battery charging circuits. This happens automatically without any software tweaks needed. In addition, phone batteries now charge incredibly efficiently thanks to clever voltage control, conversion system, and temperature monitoring. The hardware has essentially been perfected to provide the fastest, safest charging possible out of the box. So, let's continue to the next myth. So guys, for the second myth, I've been hearing a lot about people turning on airplane mode on their phones or laptops to try and reset connection and boost Wi-Fi speeds. But does that actually work? Let's find out. Now, I am now going to switch airplane mode on and off it again. As you can see, switching flight modes has turned off the Wi-Fi and cell signal icon, because what actually happened is it shut down all the wireless communication hardware inside. The radios for Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, and even GPS get temporarily powered down. Now, when I toggle the airplane mode off, icons reappear since the radio switched back on, but here is the key things. All those wireless components resume for exactly how they were working earlier. Airplane mode does not restart the network drivers, flush all settings or buffers, update any configuration or do anything else to refresh the connectivity system. Just temporarily blocking signals doesn't suddenly improve their performance or fix any underlying glitches. You are just interrupting, then resuming the same Wi-Fi radio hardware and soft stacks as before. Reconnecting may feel quicker with a fresh signal scan and new IP address list, but that initial jump rarely solves major bandwidth, latency, or drop issues in the long run. So, if you do face frequent disconnection or lagging internet, there are better ways to troubleshoot, such as updating drivers network, removing congestion sources. Toggling airplane mode on and off essentially does nothing to truly enhance connectivity. It only gives an illusion of a quick boost. Try to avoid falling for that myth.
What is flight mode? Flight mode, also known as airplane mode, is a feature on smartphones and other electronic devices that disable wireless communication functions such as cellular, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It is commonly used during flights. There are many facts about flight mode. One of the popular facts about this feature is to prevent interference with aircraft systems. It is commonly used during flight to comply with airline regulation. Flight mode also contributes to the safe operation of the flight. Besides that, by activating flight mode, can conserve battery life by shutting off power-consuming wireless function. It also allows a user to use certain features on their devices, such as reading e-books, without accessing wireless networks. Another fact about flight mode is when flight attendants fail to comply with airline regulation regarding the use of flight mode can result in penalties.
In conclusion, aeroplane mode serves as a practical and versatile feature in our daily life, extending beyond its initial aviation safety purpose. By effectively disabling wireless communication function, it contributes to battery conservation, reduce disturbance, enhance privacy, and support movement of focused attention. Additionally, its role in emergency communication and data usage control underscore is relevant in various situations. As a standard and easily accessible feature on electronic device, aeroplane mode reflects a balance between connectivity and personal control, providing users with a valuable tool for managing their digital interaction and promoting a safer, more efficient and enjoyable technology experience. Now, I will show you how to on flight mode. You just put the button and it is open. Easy, right? Thank you.